In today's video, I will walk you through how to create a duotone effect in Adobe Photoshop. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. Begin by clicking on the Gradient Map tool. After selecting it, move to the top window and click on the drop-down menu to view the available gradients. From here, choose any gradient to get started. Once the gradient is selected, click directly on the gradient box. This opens the gradient editor, where you can customize the colors for the effect. Inside the gradient editor, go to the Basic Presets section and select the black to white gradient. Apply that gradient to the image. After the black to white gradient is active, continue by editing the colors used in the gradient. Double-click on one of the color picker points, located underneath the gradient bar. This opens the color picker window, where you can choose the first color for the duotone effect. For this example, select the color you want to use for one side of the image turns. After choosing the first color, repeat the same process for the second color picker point. Double-click on it and select another color for the opposite side of the gradient. Once both colors are selected, the main duotone color setup is complete. Next, move over to the blending mode section. Change the blending mode from normal to color. Right away, you will notice the gradient colors blending into the image and creating the duotone effect style. At this stage, the effect is already applied, but you can still refine the final look. Adjust the gradient sliders if needed, or continue tweaking the colors until the tones match the style you want for the image. You can experiment with different color combinations and small gradient adjustments to create softer tones or stronger contrast, depending on the result you are aiming for. That's how you create a duotone effect in Adobe Photoshop using the Gradient Map tool and a custom color gradient.